Welcome to What's for Dinner. I'm Drew, and today we're going to be doing something any home cook could do, and anybody, you don't even really have to be much of a cook. It's a Big Mac sauce, and basically any of the ingredients can be purchased at your local grocery store, or you may have them lying in your cupboard already. And I'll have an ingredient list in the script description down below. So right down to the sauce, very simple. This video is a little bit more about the sauce, but we will still be building a Big Mac. I just have mayo, some yellow mustard, and then also sweet relish. And you can pretty much see the measurements there. Also white vinegar, just a little bit. And then I have my garlic powder, onion powder, and then also paprika, and paprika will help with also the color. I'm going to put a little bit of white vinegar in. Of course, give it a whisk. Definitely smells like Big Mac sauce. Let's see here. And that is spot on. Identical almost to the original. So be right back. We're going to build a Big Mac. So the whole point here is me building a Big Mac with stuff I have laying around the house. Well, there's a few things I don't have laying around, and obviously you can see what they are. So I was gonna cut up an onion, but I'm a bum. I don't have a freaking onion right now. Anyways, we gotta make the middle bun, and some people think, well, what are you gonna do with that? So I'm literally just going to cut off the bottom end of this so we can stick it in between. Like so. That's for cooking with Corey. Also, if you wanted to get technical, you would want to obviously a sesame seed bun. I don't have that laying around. So you'd want to use dehydrated onions, and then you would rehydrate them with water, or you could not be like me and be a bum and have an onion. Usually I do have quite a few onions laying around the house. Now these are hamburger dill fast food chips. I don't think it gets closer than that. These are, you can pick these up very cheap at Kroger or Ralph's if you're on the left coast. Okay, we've got my pan ripping hot. Just going to twist up the buns a little bit. Of course, you got the middle. And then I'm using 85-15, 85 meat, and then 15 lean for the fat. I usually go with 80-20. And I also did roughly about a quarter pound. The original, if you're doing an exact copycat, would be roughly about an eighth pound. If you want to see my other video, basically is the first double-decker sandwich in America is the big boy sandwich. Buns all toasted up. And you don't want a heavy toast like that one. Again, this would be whatever any cook would have at the house, or what any person should have in the house. Hell, you could use Pam. It doesn't matter. That's just some cheap canola oil I bought. And again, it's ripping hot. Throw my patties on there. And I hate to say this. Again, this isn't an exact copycat video. I like this, any type of burger seasoning. You can just use your standard kosher salt, pepper, whatever you like. So obviously, we have everything here. The bottom bun. Just gonna put some of that homemade Big Mac sauce on. Middle bun. Again, more Big Mac sauce. Hell, I go through there and I'll ask for it. A lot of time lately they haven't been charging me. But, okay, so if you want to go, sometimes they will charge, and it's annoying, very annoying. You can come home, you put some of that sandwich spread on there. It's not the same, you know, some Thousand Island. And on the original, we would obviously have some white onions, and you wouldn't be putting pickles on the bottom. You'd only be putting 2 on the middle. I like pickles, so that's what I'm going with. Use the bigger one for the bottom. I knew these were gonna hockey puck up on me. Again, let's see here. Got your middle. Do some more shredded iceberg. Man, looks like I'm running low on pickles. And everything else. Jesus. Okay. And also, I'm missing the cheap, cheese. And obviously the sesame seed bun. But that's my homemade. That's Eddie Murphy's homemade. It's Eddie Murphy's, or that's my homemade Big Mac. Take it for what you will. The video is more about the sauce, obviously. To everybody in the peanut gallery in the comment section. Thanks to my new subscribers. I appreciate everybody that watches. I hope you guys have a great day.